So in the last 12 months, we've had some pretty significant camera announcements. If you remember back at NAB last year, we announced the PYXIS 12K, which was an incredible camera that incorporated all of the things that you would need for high-end film production, digital film production. We kind of set off with the mindset of if we could build anything into a camera, what would that consist of? And we were able to develop some serious sensor technology, certainly with that 12K sensor, which is a 35mm sensor. What we also announced at the show last year was the PYXIS 6K, which was a small box camera, which looked like this. The entire unit is consolidated into an incredibly lightweight and versatile unit with significant mounting points on all sides to be able to rig this into whichever way you wanted. So if you then look fast forward to this year, what we've then done is we've taken that 12K sensor that was in that PYXIS 12K LF, and we've actually migrated it across into this PYXIS body. So now what we have is we have this extraordinary camera that is incredibly powerful, delivering unbelievable images. We're talking about 16 stops of dynamic range. We're talking about incredibly fast readout speeds. And we're talking about a sensor that can deliver 12K, 8K and 4K without any sensor cropping. We also have the opportunity to put in there as well a 9K resolution for recording, all of which are recording to Blackmagic RAW, which has become a proven codec to use now within post-production and within video acquisition. When you start to look across it, also what we've been able to achieve with the frame rates, we were able to get up to 112 frames per second, both in 8K and in 4K. And we're also able to get up to 60 frames per second in 12K. If we're shooting in open gate would be 40 frames per second at 12K and 72 frames per second at 8K and 4K. So not only have we got this 16-stop dynamic range camera with incredibly fast readout speeds, we've also got some great frame rates as well. And all of that is built into this extraordinary small package, which allows you to navigate through the Blackmagic OS, which is a very simple operating system to work through. You also have CF Express capture on the back, so it will take 2 CF Express cards on the back. You've also got your SDI connections as well. So we've got 12 gig SDI off the back. We've also got 10 gig Ethernet. We've also got that reference input, and then we've got multiple USB-Cs for off-board recording. And then if I spin this all the way around to the front, what you'll also see is we've also got a USB-C connection here at the top that not only takes video but also takes data. So we can actually view that through the viewfinder using USB-C. But equally, if we were using our PYXIS monitor, which is our off-board monitor, you'd also be able to control certain aspects of the camera directly from that PYXIS monitor. We've also got an audio input there as well. Now, the other benefit with this camera as well is that it also connects into Blackmagic Cloud. So what we can also do is we can also look to offload our video footage up into Blackmagic Cloud, which then, in combination with DaVinci Resolve 20, enables us to pull all of those files off and start working on those in an edit environment without having to offboard everything. This will also create proxies as well, which means that if we want to work with lower resolution and smaller file types, we can do too. This is available now. We're going to be shipping it around the middle of the year, around about June, July time. It retails at $5,000. There are 3 different options when you come to purchase. We have an L mount, we have a PL mount, and we have an EF mount. If you're looking to adapt different lenses, we'd probably suggest that the L mount is probably the most adaptable of the 3 different lens mounts. But equally, we also appreciate there's a lot of people that are migrating from other cameras that also have maybe have EF lenses or they have PL lenses, which is why we've actually gone for 3 distinct options. If you want to find out more information about this camera, you can go to Blackmagic website, which is blackmagicdesign.com. You go across to PYXIS, you will see not only the PYXIS 12K, you'll also see the 6K version, and you will also see the PYXIS range as well, where we have a 12K and we also have a 17K, and we also have the exciting PYXIS Immersive as well, which is also our immersive camera for use with the Apple Vision Pro. Thank you very much.